I see what old chaps and chappets, Game Chap and Birdie here. Yes, fellows, and I dare say we are about to witness here a momentous occasion in Minecraft engineering history, being for the first time a working, moving, walking robot dog in vanilla Minecraft, you'll say.
Yes, a robot dog that walks like a frog.
Like a frog, old chap?
Yes.
Well, in any case, I dare say this is quite a first by Cubehamster. And observe, just look at that beast, old boy.
This thing here is a giant, it's like a dog.
It's like a dog, old boy.
Yes, and the dog's name is,
Fido.
Fido, yes, that's right. Yes,
You do. I thought it was rather like a green sheep with purple patches on it, old chap, actually.
Yes, it could be, but never mind. We're going to call him a dog. It's Fido.
He's a dog, Fido the dog. I observe, fellows, as you can see, Fido is consisted of a rather large and, well, complex array of buried pistons, slime blocks, redstone and more.
Yes, I'll explain it all, shall I?
Must you, old chap?
Yes, now this is an extremely complicated creation that's taken probably hundreds of years to make.
Yes.
Now, as you can see, there are pistons here, there are pieces of slime blocks here, and there's also redstone. When you put them all together, you see, and wait a minute, it all comes out like this, and when you press the button, it works.
Mixing it together like a cake, old chap.
Yes, it's something like that.
Now, also, observe, fellows, there are no command blocks. You may have thought that this robot used the command blocks for new move and clone and replace functions, but it doesn't. As you can see, this is entirely composed of self-propelling slime blocks and pistons.
Wait!
What?
A minute! Did you say no command blocks, ready block things?
Yes, I did, old chap. Thank you.
That's impossible, surely.
But it's not impossible. As you can see, we're going to place a passenger on the head, like so. There he is, old boy.
Aha! Right, and you're trying to tell me this will actually move along the ground robotic-like?
It most certainly will. Now take careful note of how to start and stop the thing. As you can see, you may think, oh, I've got a jolly good idea. Let's flint it up like so. But of course, nothing happens, videos.
Oh, wait, is that how you started him, the flint?
It is, old boy, a flint and steel right there. But observe and take careful note of this piece of obsidian right here, which functions as a stopping device for the said dog.
That will not work with that, Edison!
No.
That won't do it! And you know what?
What?
He forgot to take it out!
Oh, never
I
mind.
did.
Don't worry about that, I'll always be given, I say.
Shall I break it?
I'll break it, there you go, time to go. There we are. Now observe, if you wish to stop the device at any time, you can of course place obsidian where Bertie is standing right now.
Yes, okay. Oh, yes, of course, to stop him. Right,
That's
shall I
right.
get some obsidian?
No, I've got some here, don't worry. Now of course we have the pilot in place. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Aim! Fire, old boy! Off he goes and down falls villager. As you can see, there he is, stomping away for nails.
Look at this thing, it's moving. For real. Are you sure you haven't done this and tricked it or something?
No, dear boy. This is...
Look.
Yes, indeed, he's there. This is no trick of the camera or the light, fellows. This buddy Fido dog is moving away at full speed, thanks to the wonders of piston, slime block, and... But Bertie, what are you doing? Stop it! No, you're going to break it, I say. What are you doing, old chap?
No, I want to see what happens.
No, you buddy, break the
No,
old boy.
see.
You can't do that, I say.
Look!
It's stopping the buddy blocks, old chap.
It's the metal maker!
Huzzah!
It's a metal maker machine, I can't believe it!
You can't
We didn't
believe
even
it.
know this, did we?
No, we
Look
didn't.
at this!
As you can see, fellows, it even crushes blocks. This is glorious, I
You
say.
can make your own melons. Look at that, it crushes blocks, this is wonderful.
Keep going, old chap.
Here we are, let's go get some of this.
Don't do that, you silly oaf. No, it can't, no, it's lost a leg, you broke it, old boy. No. Excuse us, fellows, as you can see, the machine's in the pit stop, shall we say, for repairs. But anyway, needless to say, let's focus on the parts of the machine that do work. As you can see, it uses this complicated array, and indeed chain, of pistons, which continually propel and retract slime blocks like so. Now, the motion of these slime blocks tugging each other forward sends the legs into a bunny hopping or frog hopping type state, which propels the whole device forward under its own power.
Aha, so you're using slime blocks and pistons, etc.
That's right, it's very clever, old chap. I dare say it's quite a feat of engineering.
Most certainly, with no command blocks whatsoever, which means, as you say, this is a rather inventive feat of engineering.
Yes, it took 500 years to make and 1 second for you to break, you absolute clumsy oaf.
What? No, we'll fix it, don't worry, we'll soon get it fixed.
Right, are you sure that's it, old chap?
Yes, I seem to have finished, yes indeed. Now, do you remember those old cars, years and years, well, hundreds of years ago, so you wouldn't remember them, but on the films, where they wind them up at the front with a crank?
Oh yes, so they do.
Like that, you see. Well, this is what this needs, you see. It needs a little bit of oomph at the front. So, therefore, I have designed the legs, redesigned there, put his leg back, and his little foot's missing, but don't worry, because with a slot of redstone blocking, we'll have this thing rocking.
Yes, I'm sure you'll. There's no obstruction here, it's clear to go, so...
Right, now I've dug a hole here. Now, when I attach the redstone block here to the bottom of the foot, he'll be on his way. There
right, you do that and I'll start going up here, right? Anyhow,
off he goes.
It's not working, you What the bloody place is no, Bertie? What have you done, for goodness sakes? You weren't supposed to blow it up, old chap.
I didn't blow it up. It was a malfunction. It must be all those pistons have all backfired at each other and cause a terrible explosion. It's all your fault.
Get back here and once you absolute sniveling cat. Goodness me, thank you, I'm Johnny Spinells. I say, never report to you once more than eggs is you're a loathsome cow now, chap.
Ooh.
Until then.
Oh, we made a dog's breakfast of that one.